Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to bend objects along curve in Blender. In this tutorial, I will add curve first, so we can go to add curve and add Bezier Curve. Close up to it. Next, I want to add object. I will add cylinder, so we can go to add mesh and add a cylinder. And I want to change the size and rotate in edit mode, so we can select cylinder and then go to edit mode. Next, I press S to scale down it, and I want to rotate to 90 degree. So I open the panel and type negative 90 degree. Next, I go to top view and I scale down a bit. And also I want to increase the width, something like this. And I want to move the cylinder to here. This is one end of cylinder is at the origin location. If we blend the cylinder, we will move this origin to the starting of the curve. So I move it to here. Now, if we want to bend the object, make sure that we have enough geometry. So I use face selection and select the X-ray mode and select the face and use right click to increase the geometry by subdivide. I increase number of cuts to 10. Now we can go back to object mode and then I switch it to solid shading mode. I select the objects and then go to modifier properties and add modifier. Go to deform, we can find curve. Choose it and then go to curve modifier. We can find curve objects and pick the Bezier curve. So we can see that the cylinder is deformed and moved to start of the curve. Furthermore, if we adjust the shape of the curve, for example, I go to edit mode and we can deform the shape by adjusting the curve. So this is how we can bend object along curve in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.